Hi, my name is Ariel and this is my YouTube channel. So today we're going from this to this. And excuse the door, it needs to be painted. But I wanted to start doing small videos of my redecoration of my room. And I have racks, shelves, things I need to set up still. But I was like, do these little videos and then have a big celebration video pretty much of showing everything fully done and renovated in my room. But just wanted to show a quick, simple, easy, anyone can do it video. But I wanted to change my light switch because it's like, it's boring and it's kind of ugly. So I was like, why not? I'll show you all the stuff you need. It'll be in the description box and I hope you enjoy.
So this is the old light switch cover that I'm unscrewing, and sometimes they'll have a little bit of paint on them, but it should still pop off. Make sure all your electricity and your circuit breaker for this room is turned off, safety first. I'm using a semi-gloss gold spray can that's usually used for furniture, craft projects, or anything like that. You can find them at Home Depot. I'll put the link in the bio. Make sure you shake up the can because this will happen where the paint actually doesn't stick to the wall. So I went in for a second time. This was perfect. And then I went for a third time because I was missing a couple of spots. You don't want to keep on going over it because then it could get a little thick and clogged up. So I turned it on and I turned it off so I could get also the words covered in gold too. I was able to get something that kind of fit my aesthetics but was really affordable versus trying to find an authentic vintage light switch cover, which could be kind of expensive. It's actually very kind of heavy, like a nice durable switch cover. The screws are also gold. I got this off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the bio. I love that it perfectly matched with the spray paint color, and I didn't even actually try to see. I was just on a whim, but it actually perfectly color matched together. Also, for a side note, make sure you let this dry before you put the cover in. I got a little too hasty at one point and it kind of got a little messy. But here you go. I just buffed it out so I get rid of all the fingerprints and ta-da. I think it looks pretty neat. I feel like this is a simple video, but I wanted to show it as part of myself.
So I hope you enjoyed my video. It was so simple, so easy, so quick. Maybe little hiccups. Always make sure you measure out your light switch, the diameter, because I had to like fill in gaps and stuff like that. But it was simple, easy, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Come again.